What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. So this is a bit of exploring you don't often see. It's the walk from where you park your car necessarily to actually get there. So it's about a half-a-mile walk at the minute. We're on it. It's a lovely summer's day. I just wanted, just give you a bit of feedback on it, because it's a bit, well, I'm excited, to get back out doing this sort of stuff. I can also see why I used to be so slim back in the day when I used to do it, because yeah, it's a lot of walking you don't actually realize. What I'm going to do is actually just pick this up when we get to the location, and I'm not going to say too much yet. Just gonna have to wait and see. It's gonna be seconds for you. It's probably gonna be about another 10-15 minutes for me, but it's all good. Time goes quick when you're having fun, innit? Anyway, all the years I've ever been exploring, I didn't actually know about this place until recently. It's gonna be a bit trash, a bit vandalized, but it's a nursing home and it's an explore. Check this out. That's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? We've got some other buildings over there as well. Mate, normally I wouldn't show access into a building, but this is, it's obvious in it, so come on, let's go in and have a little look and see what we got on hand. Life and Times Video, there we go. Some nice old ships on there. Straight in. Let's pick this up inside, guys. There we go. I thought I would save you, the embarrassment of us climbing through the window. We're in, just as I thought. Trashed. But anyway, let's have a little nosy. Let's see what it's about. The smells in these sorts of places are so unique, I'll be honest with you. Like that damp, musky sort of smell, asbestos if you like, burnt out, trashed, standard sort of vibes. I tell you what, it is pretty dark in here as well, but that's alright, we'll roll with it. Yeah, there's not a lot you can see in here visually, I'll be honest with you. But nonetheless, it's a bit of an explore. And let's take you through. I know the GoPro isn't the best really in dark scenarios, but that's alright. So we've got a corridor here, literally stuff has fallen everywhere. But that's right, we'll go this way around it. And this is probably one of the darker explores I've done in some time, I'll be honest with you. Of course, when you're exploring, always watch your footing. Watch out for the nails, watch out for everything. We say in a kitchen sort of area that would have been. Let's take you on through into another hall. Yeah, bedding. This place is trashed, if I'm honest with you. I don't even think I'm going to venture upstairs in here, to be honest. Judging by the state and the way everything is in here. But yeah, the smell in here is bonkers. That's it. When you're out with the game for a while, you just forget about stuff like this. Let's take you through, literally back through, full circle on ourselves. That's going to be the stairs up. Well, that would have been the stairs up, as you can see. Not a lot to see in this place. That's alright though, and I tell you what, yeah, look at that, sunglasses as well. Let's go on, because it's been nice out there. I forgot to actually bring them, but yeah, this place is hard. What are you saying, Megs?
Trash.
Trashed, literally trashed. But that's alright, maybe we'll fill some of the outbuildings on, we'll have a little nosy. Nonetheless, it's an explore. It's getting back into the sort of stuff that we enjoy. And I'm excited about it. Feels good to be doing this again, I'll be honest with you. So let's go back through. We'll pick this up in a minute, guys. So there we go, we've made it back outside, and literally the building just goes, I know that's a bit of a waste of time, it probably might be a way up in there. You can see it goes, it goes, it goes. And we've got this other sort of outhouse. We're going to have a little nosy in here now. But what I've got to do here, I've got to shout out my boy, Urbex Robbie, for this one. He was kind enough to let me have this and a few more, so there's going to be some stuff coming with him soon, so stay tuned. What are we saying then? This is a bit more like it, isn't it? Not as trashed. What have we got going on in here then, Megs? Let's just do a switch over on the...
Pictures.
Pictures, is it?
Pictures, like postcards.
Postcards of this place, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah.
Madness, I'm with you. So yeah, this would have been our office, I guess. Got a little cubby hole in there. A lot of pictures. But there we go. Another thing I've got to remember, guys, when I'm doing this, is to hold the GoPro steady. Because it's been a minute and it's very different to what I normally do. You've got stairs there, we'll have a nose up there in a minute. There's a lot of them postcodes, I'll be honest with you. What a cool little room though. We've got a table, we've got a chair, we've got a nice old fireplace. We've got some wooden beams in here as well. Different. We'll keep on going through. Let's see exactly what is going on in here. Kitchen area, I'm guessing. Got some standard 90s flooring in here. Remember that old Lycra sort of stuff? Magazines. I wonder if there's a date on that. Summerfield, August 1990 something. Summerfield, yeah, 1997, there we go. I was 6, to be honest with you. Yeah, literally back out into the overgrown bits. So there's some more bits out there. Let's keep venturing. Should we go and have a nosy upstairs first? What are you saying, Max? Yeah, come on. This is pretty good. So anyone don't know, Megs is my partner. This is yeah, she nearly an ex-partner then if she's gonna go tripping over, innit? But this isn't really her sort of stuff that she's done, but she's getting into it and she's coming along. Might be to please me, to please you, I don't know, innit? But we'll go and have a little nosy. Go on then, Megs, fear the dark, get up there. This place is solid compared to the other one anyway. Anything worth looking at up here? Got a standard thing, pipe stripped out of the floorboards. And what have we got going on in here?
Just documents everywhere.
It is. I'm guessing this would have been staff accommodation, staff room maybe. But yeah, a lot of documents, a lot of stuff going on. Anything worth looking at? No. So there we go. That's this place. Let's keep on rolling through. So there we go, boys and girls. The explore is continuing because we're now over the residential area. I'm going to go in and have a little look. See if there's anything left in here. Again, trashed. That's the rolling thing with this. Some Christmas decorations left out on the floor though. Different. Handprints. That pleases me, right, that they've done that in the photo frame. There we go. Top 10 marks for that. Saying trash rooms. Bathroom area. Domino. Again, that musty, dampy smell. If you're not used to it, right, it makes you feel, what's the right word? Not like you go up an attic back in the day with all the lagging, you just feel a bit lousy. It makes you feel a bit like that. That's the best way I can describe it. So there we go, we've got some old comms on there. Room 5, room 2, room 4. Emergency button, obviously ping up in here. Extra staff would go looking. And yeah, this is literally just bedrooms. Pretty much generic throughout, I'd imagine. There's some bits left in here. It's cool though. It's nice to see. Again, standard. Holes mostly are from when they stripped the pipes, the coppers out of the building. Anything that's value, they'll have it. Again, it's generic. 12k staff, all residents must be appropriately dressed whilst being escorted back to their bedroom. Let's hope they were then, eh? I tell you what, these sorts of places scare the life out of me. Bathroom, someone's trying to set that on fire. I don't want to get old, I'll be honest with you. 30 years of age at the minute and time is flying way too quick. How old are you guys though? Drop it in the comment below, let me know. Some of you are going to say, don't worry, you're 30, you're just a nipper, innit? But yeah, it's creeping. And then cooking area again, kitchen out. And this is where we started our journey. That's going to go right back through to the main building. So to be fair, I think that's all we need in here. Let's pick us back up outside. So yeah guys, I can't express to you how good it feels to come back out doing this sort of stuff. Even if it's not to the caliber of what I used to do on somewhere like the hidden houses, those sorts of locations. They are coming, don't worry, all this is a bit of practice getting back into it, but it's also practice holding the GoPro again, chatting on the camera, doing this sort of stuff because it's very different to what I do on Viking Views. Go and check that channel out, link in the description. But yeah, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, smash like on that button. Hello to everyone else I know that's been along for the journey for many years. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff for this, like this, coming soon. And just stay tuned, that's what I'm going to say, because there's some special bits. But until next time, that's all I got to say. Peace and love as per. Catch you at the next one, guys.